A very good morning, students. In topic physical activity and leadership training, in our previous lecture we have discussed about the role of a leader, and today's new topic safety measures to prevent sports injuries. This is last topic in this lesson. In between those topics are there adventure sports and all, that is out of your syllabus. Now, whatever I am teaching, that only will be in the syllabus. Remember that. Now, safety measures to prevent sports injuries. First safety measure is warming up. Warming up before your practice or training. Why warming up exercises are required, like jogging, then some standing exercises, freestanding exercises, then sit down, flexibility, stretching nature of exercise, to bring your temperature of your body to the working condition. If without warming up you are directly playing and doing strenuous activity, there are chances of injuries like sprain, strain, bruises and all when you fall down. So these, to avoid these injuries, you have to warm up and play. Second one is be hydrated. That is, hydrated is related with sufficient water you should take even before practice. Also, if you are feeling dry throats and all, take sip of water, 2 or 3 sips. During play also you can take water, during interval and all, in between also you can demand for the water, and after game also you should take sufficient water. There should not be shortage of water in the body, because lot of water is wasted in form of sweating and all. Then third safety measure, always wear appropriate sports gears. Appropriate sports gear is related with the equipments which is needed to wear during the match. Some people wear loose t-shirt, loose shorts. It should be properly fitting. And some equipments like in cricket, padding, then comes spike shoes, then comes thigh guard, abdomen guard, chest guard, elbow guard, helmet. All these proper sports gear should be there. If you are thinking that I will be playing 1 over only and you just hold the bat, in that one ball itself you may face injury. Even sometimes you know that one Australian player, he was having helmet and behind ear ball has hit, he has turned during the making hook of that bouncer, ball hit behind the ear and he died on the Hague and or something name was there. He died on the spot. So proper gear is very important to avoid injury. Follow the rules and regulation of the game strictly. Every game is set with a certain rules and regulation, and strictly you should follow those rules and regulation. When you are doing regular practice, your coach or somebody should refer. Otherwise, chances of injuries are more. If you are playing rough without following rules and regulation, pushing, pulling, injury chances will be more. Then comes give priority to the rest. Priority to rest, you see, lot of exertion is there while playing the matches and all during the training or practice. Individual event also you are practicing a lot for betterment of performance. So in rest time you need a particular rest. Just relax, because we have spent it during practice lot of energy, lot of calories, and those calories recovery should be there in form of rest. During rest also you are walking, roaming here and there in the street with the friends, zigzag, chit chatting. When next session practice comes, you will be feeling yourself that you are under fatigue. So rest is also timely required. Follow a good diet. This is very much necessary. Diet is related with the practice hours of your training. Suppose you are practicing 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours in morning session and 3-4 hours in evening session. 8 hours high level of exertion of calories are there. That those calories, where from you will get it? They will get what diet you are taking in form of carbohydrate, fat or protein, vitamins and minerals, and sufficient water. This they are coming under macronutrients and micronutrients. These are dietary elements. Which are those elements I said? Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral and water. These are the 6 dietary elements. They should be taken in a balanced form. Then only your body will be energetic for the next working session. So this diet is also most important. Some people before starting the training session, they feel themselves tired and all. So there is reason behind that. Either they have not taken proper rest or they have not taken a good diet. That's why they are feeling themselves lethargic and not feel like energetic body. So we will be discussing about only 6 safety measures today only, and remaining 6 we will be discussing in next lecture. Thank you. Have a healthy day.